Meaning of Lieutenant Commander.
Lieutenant Commander.
Lieutenant Commander.
Lieutenant Commander.
Lieutenant Commander. Lieutenant Commander is a military rank used in some navies, such as the United States Navy, the Royal Navy, and the Indian Navy. It is typically a senior officer rank, above the rank of lieutenant and below the rank of commander. In the U.S. Navy, a lieutenant commander is equivalent to a major in other branches of the military. In general, a lieutenant commander is responsible for managing small units or ships and has significant leadership responsibilities.